Hey everyone. Well, I guess stand mixers are not meant for me or something. Uh, this is my Hamelton Beach Model 44 Scovil mixer, and I know I mentioned this a few times. It it only has 150 watts, so it's not very powerful, and it's made like in 1944 or something like that. And anyway, I was expecting the motor to burn up, but instead this dough hook attachment thing broke. You can see where it snapped off. This goes on the stand mixer, and you got your bowl that sits there, and you screw this screw in, and it tightens down around the bowl. And I've got Gorilla Glue on it right now. It's holding, but I was thinking, I don't know how safe that would be if it dropped off into some dough or something. So don't laugh too much. So I ordered a new stand mixer, and this is how it came. Shipping gassed it, and it goes through this box, goes into the inner box, and goes into the stand mixer. So I'm like, oh man. So I'm waiting for them to replace this. But then in the meantime, I was trying to find another one of these in black. I saw a beige one, and they offered me a deal on a beige one, but I don't think it would look as good. And so then I kept on searching and searching. Finally, I came across a lady on eBay, Rachel 361, and she was offering one in black. So I cut it open, contacted her, and made sure that, there we go, that it was black, because it said beige down the way a little bit. And she says, yes, it is black. And she was very responsive to anything I asked. And so y'all should go over to her site also and look what she's got for sale, because she's got a lot of things for sale at great prices. Let's see what we got. All wrapped nice and bubble wrapped. And another bag. Sorry about the bump in there. Got another dough hook. And guess what? Let's put them side by side. Got a little bit of a difference, but let's see if it'll fit. Shall we? Okay. Okay, well, that does work. You just need to, there's a button. Okay. Okay, so let's pop this puppy out, and it fits. And that's the screw that screws down on the mixing bowl. And it came today, and I'm a happy camper. I mean, you know, at 150 watts, you would think that the motor would burn up before something broke, but I was making dough with it, bread dough, which is probably an underpowered mixer. You know, that's like pulling a huge boat with a Volkswagen or something. I don't know. I mean, just something that's bound to break, or the motor's about to go out, but it kept going and it's still going. And I love my machine. And I ordered the other one, and like I said, and like you saw, it came battered and beat up, but they agreed to send me a new one. But yeah, y'all just, I'll leave a link to her, to Rachel 361. I'll leave a link to her site on eBay down below. And I'm a happy camper. Yes, sir. Of course, if I get the other mixer, I will use it for dough. Because this one, like I say, is just highly underpowered. It's like my Chevy Blazer with a 6-cylinder. It is like very underpowered. So I wouldn't pull anything super heavy with it, or like pulling it out of a lake or something like that, pulling like a huge boat out of a lake. But yeah, I love this thing has lasted many, many years. I forgot when I got this, and it was used when I got it. So, and it's still ticking. No problem at all. It works great. I wouldn't give it up for the world. Now it's all together again. It's so happy. It's a happy mixer. And so my shout out is to Rachel 361, and for having that at a great price. Some sites are selling them for a lot, and her price was perfectly reasonable and everything. And so anyway, y'all should go on over there. And if you like retro stuff, and she has some new stuff also. But she's got great prices, and that's what counts, especially in these days. Okay, if this helped out anybody, please give me a thumbs up and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you get a chance. And if you're in a warm place, go swimming. If you're not in a warm place, find a warm place, go swimming. And if you can't find a warm place, go swimming, snuggle up with someone. Okay, y'all stay safe, and I love y'all, and see y'all soon. Bye. I'll see y'all when I get the new blender, or new mixer probably. Okay, stay safe. Bye.